Actually, guys, it depends on what is the anime is all about. It's just like the main character is going to die, or one of the characters of the anime is leaving, or leaving the plot, like some kind of emotional thing that is sad, that makes me cry a lot, because the because when part of the character is usually show some emotional things like adventure, and they just leaving, it's just missing.